Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about CorelDraw tips and tricks. And in today's video, I will show you how to show bleed area in any CorelDraw page document settings without any stress. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do, like for instance, this particular page right here, let's say for instance you have added a bleed area to this page layout, but you cannot see the bleed area. And as a result of that, if you are doing a print graphics, you may be confused to know the area that you set as a bleed zone. So for that, I'm going to show you on how to show your bleed area so that you will not put in an important graphics in across your bleed zone. Let me show you how. First thing first, what you need to do is to press Ctrl plus J on your keyboard. And this dialog box here is going to come up. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and navigate to this page icon documents. So click on document and you are here. Next thing you want to do is to make sure you navigate to page size. Under the page size right here, then you have your bleed size right here. However, if you would like to increase your bleed size, you might decide to come to the top right here, click on here. The more you click, the more the bleed is going to appear. Then go ahead and click on show bleed area. Come down below right here and and it's going to give you the exact bleed area you set for your page, just like what you see right here. It's that simple. For tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your CorelDraw software, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.